Hello, today I'm going to show you how to unpair all of your controllers from your Nintendo Switch 2 console. This is possible in one step. That means if you have a lot of controllers paired with your console as well, you can use them, of course. But if there is a trouble, for example, and it does not work or something else, this can be the solution for trouble to unpair all of them, or you give away or trade in or something else, but you do not like to go to completely reset the system. You can unpair it, or you can unpair them and give them to another console or something else. And you do not like to get back these controllers automatically into your system. We go to settings, then we go down on system. We go down, no window, so here, and we're going to controllers and accessories in systems. Then we go to the bottom line, disconnect controllers. Here we are. So to disconnect the controllers, you will need a Joy-Con 2 for that. Okay, we're going to disconnect controllers and clear all pairings. To continue with that, we have to attach our Joy-Con 2 controller to the console and hold the X button. Okay, we will still be able to use the Joy-Con 2 controllers attached to the console after the pairing have been cleared, of course. To use other controllers after this clearing, the pairings, we have to repair those controllers. Okay, this can be the troubleshooting. So we go now and dock one of the controllers, of the Joy-Con controllers, to our system, and we push and hold the X button. Job's done. All controllers have been disconnected. We need to use the Joy-Con 2 attached to the system. To use other controllers, we pair them to the system too. And now, of course, you will see only the one controller here, which was inside that system, is of course already paired with the system. And then you can repair all of them if you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.